What's up guys, welcome to another video. So basically I'm recording this for anybody who needs help with affiliate marketing and for anybody who wants to start like making commissions with this business model. Now let me tell you something that I have been doing this thing for many years, and one of the common reasons that people don't succeed is that you need discipline and this requires hard work. And so people get discouraged when they don't have results because basically when you are not seeing commissions, so they quit. In affiliate marketing you need to put in the work to start making commissions, guys. Now let me show you one of the websites that you can start. So maybe you know Amazon.com. So you can become an affiliate for Amazon. So check this out. Here you can go to this website and sign up, and you can recommend products and earn commissions when someone buy a product from your affiliate link. Now let me show you another example. This is clickbank.com. So you can create a free account here. You can click this blue button where it says start here, and then you can go here and check this out. This is the Clickbank marketplace, and you can find here many products to promote in a variety of niches. So we have health and fitness, e-business and e-marketing, spirituality, new age and alternative beliefs, self-help. So let's say that I want to promote something in the spirituality niche. So I just need to click here, and then I can do my own research about the product that I want to promote. And one important thing here is that it's important to promote products that you know are going to help people. So you need to do your own research. You can go to Google and find for reviews for these products. So check this out, the Genius Wave. This product pays $47 per sale, the Money Wave $49. And basically to promote any product from Clickbank, you need to click here on this button where it says promote. Then you need to choose your affiliate nickname and then continue. And here where it says encrypted hub link, this is my affiliate link. So if someone buys the product from this link, I can make a commission. So what I can do here is that I can copy this link and paste it here, and this is going to be the sales page that I need to drive traffic to it. Now the way to drive traffic to this page, so there are two ways. You can try to direct traffic, like creating, for example, YouTube videos about this topic. So this is for the Genius Wave is finally here. So this is like a audiobook. Activate your genius. Special discount. So it doesn't have like too much information, but so there are mainly two ways. You can drive traffic directly to this link. For example, you can create a YouTube channel and create content about so how to be genius, and put this link, this affiliate link, in the description. And the second way is to create an opt-in page, a sales funnel, and drive traffic to that opt-in page to collect the lead, and then redirect those people to your affiliate offer. Now let me show you one of the funnels that I have been using to make commissions. So mainly I promote high ticket products because with those kind of products we can make more money. So let me show you quickly some of my results. This is my back office for the products that I promote, the 70-hour challenge and freedom breakthrough. And if I go to payouts, these are my latest payments. So the strategy that I use, guys, is that I don't drive traffic to any of these affiliate links. What I do instead is that I drive traffic to my own sales funnel. I capture the lead, I capture the email, the name, and their phone number. And once I have that information, I redirect those people to my affiliate offer. So check this out. So let me show you quickly one of the funnels that I have been used to make commissions. I'm going to show you this one. So I use a software. The name is ClickFunnels. You can create many kind of funnels with this software. And check this out. I'm going to show you this one. So the name of this funnel is the 7 steps to becoming a super affiliate. And basically what I do is that I drive traffic to this page, which has a title, it has information, as you can see. I put here my own picture, and this is the ebook. So basically I'm giving away this free ebook in exchange for the email. So when people click this gold button, they can write their name, their email, their phone number, and then I'm going to send the ebook through email. So this is the first step. Then people, they will go to the second step of the funnel. So this funnel has 3 steps. So the second step, people are going to get access to this page. They will read, you are all set, check your email for the free ebook, check your spam folder as well, and I'm going to send the ebook. And if they have questions, they can click this blue button. And if they want to know, if they want to take the challenge, which is a 3-day challenge, they can click this gold button where it says yes, show me how. And then they will go to the bridge page. Now the bridge page is important because here basically I'm introducing myself, that I'm an affiliate marketer and I'm promoting this product. They can read this information, they will watch this video. So I record this simple video in which I explain the next steps they need to take in order to take the challenge. And I have here information about the creator of this product, which is Jonathan Montoya. And if they want to get started today, they can click any of these gold buttons. So let me show you. I'm going to click on any of these ones, and it's going to open my affiliate link for the $70 challenge. And here they can see the price of the challenge, which is $9. They can watch this video, they can read all this information. So these are testimonials, and if they scroll down, they will find more video testimonials, and then they can have access to the challenge. And so basically I'm driving traffic to my sales funnel guys, because I'm collecting my own emails. And this is important if you want to build this affiliate marketing thing for the long term, because basically what I can do with this information, so check this out here where it says show all the contacts. I have 997 leads or emails. I can go to tools. So this software, the name is Get Response, and I do here email marketing, and I can click here email marketing, and I can write, for example, an email to promote any product that I know is going to help my email list. So check this out. So another important thing is that you don't need to, so it's important to not write emails like promo after promo. It's important to give value to your email list. So for example here, so this is a value letter. I'm not promoting anything, I'm just giving value to my email list. I have this one. This is for my Spanish audience. And so check this out. Here I'm promoting my YouTube channel. I have here value email, YouTube promo. I'm promoting here, I'm promoting YouTube videos, and then I have many emails in which I'm not promoting anything. I'm just giving value to my email list. So, and my main traffic source, guys, is YouTube. So basically, when I create content on my YouTube channel, so people go here, and if they click this link, which is my domain, so that is going to open one sales funnel, one of the sales funnel that I have. And if people put their information, they will go to my funnel and they will start receiving like a lot of emails. Basically they are going to receive first of all my free training. So if they want to start with affiliate marketing, even if they don't buy anything from me, they will receive that free training, and then they will start receiving emails in which I promote many products. For example, I promote ClickFunnels, I promote, this is another software, funnelfreedom.io. So this is like ClickFunnels and GetResponse. You can create here sales funnel, you can do marketing, you can create your automation workflows, you can create courses. And one cool thing about this software is that it has like integrated like a done for you system in which we just need to drive traffic to a sales funnel, and this one has like 365 days of emails to promote these products. So check this out. We can promote here the 72-hour challenge. So basically we just need to copy and paste our affiliate links inside of this page for these products: Freedom Accelerator, Funnel Freedom, Secret of Success, Legendary Marketer. So these are all products. GetResponse, Udemy, and these are my affiliate links: InVideo, TubeBuddy, vidIQ, Repurpose.io, System.io. So this is a software for anybody who wants to build this funnel, and if they don't have like resources, they don't have money, they can use this software for free. And so basically we just need to drive traffic. Let me show you. I'm going to click on sites and then I'm going to open the funnel. So we just need to drive traffic to this funnel, and once people put their information inside of this done for you system, they will start receiving emails. So I have here two funnels, but this one is that I want to show you: Freedom Ascension, mapping your 9 to 5 exit strategy. So basically with this funnel I'm giving away a free course. So that is the lead magnet, because people are not going to put their information just because you write like a good headline. Hey, put your best information here. You need to give something in exchange for that email. So for this one, for this funnel, I'm giving away a free ebook, and for this one that you're seeing the screen, I'm giving away a free course. So check this out. Take the free course. So when people go here, I have my picture as well. I have all this information, and when they click this gold button, take the free course, I can collect the name, the email, their phone number, and I'm going to send through email the free course, which I didn't create. Jonathan Montoya created that free course for his affiliates, so we can grow our email list. Because having your own email list, guys, is one of the most important things that you can do, because you can promote multiple affiliate products. So you can promote software, you can promote like high ticket products, low ticket products. So any products for the niche that you are in. And so that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you want to get access to my free course, you can go here to my YouTube channel and click this link, and you will receive the free course that I have through email. So that's it. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.